So we have grown up watching the iconics, TV bahus, and strong female leads. What happens when female actresses get into real life roles of being a wife and a mother?
People think that because she's become a mother, we can give her those older woman roles. From getting bahu roles or the negative lead, I'm not saying 25-year-old and 16-year-old, but I can play my age. Don't give me something that's 50 years old.
What is an average working time of a TV show?
So you sign a 13 and a half to 14-hour contract. Mostly. With my baby, he gets up a little early. By 7, he's up. And I need to leave at 8:30 to reach at 9. So I used to see him for that 1.5 hour in the morning. The door was shutting. And I looked at him very happily and I said, "Bye, Krishu. See you tomorrow." It's 8 in the morning and I'm going to see you tomorrow. You know? And the door shut. I walked into my, the bathroom and I shut myself there. And I burst out crying.
Men,
Yeah.
actors,
Yeah.
they still continue to play lead roles, romantic roles, despite their age or personal milestones.
Yeah. Your Shah Rukh Khan is still doing, movies with the younger ones, but Juhi Chawla is playing somebody's mom.
So, were there any unrealistic expectations which you felt with respect to beauty standards?
Chalo, they don't want to reveal, but ab to sabko sab kuch pata hai. We know about, injection.
So, what would you tell young women who are basically worried how they're going to manage their entertainment career and family?
First of all, I'll tell them that it's not going to be easy. Let's face facts.
One misconception people have about married women in entertainment.
That they don't want to do intimate roles. Aisa kuch nahi hai. You're here to act. I'm not actually going to fall in love with the lead actor.
Welcome, Tanvi.
Welcome. Welcome to this whole industry of doing podcasts. I think it's very brave of you to be always doing something different. So I'm very happy to be here.
And I'm super excited. Conversation chalu kare.
Of course. All set.
So we have grown up watching the iconics, TV bahus, and strong female leads. What happens when female actresses get into real life roles of being a wife and a mother? So you are here with us today and you're going to give us all the inside scoop.
Yes, I am. Full set.
So you have been working since so many years. आपने इतने सारे transitions देखे होंगे industry में. Plus आपने इतने सारे transition go through भी किए होंगे.
Yes.
Because you've like grown up in this industry.
Yes.
You have had milestones in this industry. Tell me how marriage changes the way people look at you.
Honestly, more than marriage, motherhood changes the way people look at you. Marriage gives you, I think, I will only talk from my point of view, gives you a lot more respect. I
Yeah.
don't know, but see, there are many mediums of being an actor. You are, there's cinema, there's OTT, there's TV. I don't know about cinema and if you get different roles after marriage or whatever, but in my case in television, a lot more respect. There's no
Okay.
चलना कर लेना यार,
हाँ.
you know.
Yeah.
Rather there's आप कर सकते हो क्या? अब थोड़ा सा overtime आज होगा तो आपके लिए possible होगा. So for me it was like अरे वाह, ये कहाँ से respect आ गया? सारे लोग मतलब 1 arm distance लेके they talk to you and I'm like, I'm trying to calm them down. कि शादी हुई यार, I'm not a changed person. You can talk to me normally. So for me it was a really positive change. I got a lot of love and respect after marriage.
That's amazing. Actually, I wasn't expecting that answer. It's such a positive
Yeah.
approach to marriage or after marriage or motherhood because you're married
Yes.
and you're a mom.
Yeah.
Did you feel any hesitation from casting directors or production houses with respect to the roles you were offered?
So what happens with not marriage again, I would say motherhood because that's the phase that I'm kind of living in right now. People think that because she's become a mother, we can give her those older woman roles. From getting bahu roles or the negative lead or whatever, I was asked by a lot of people if I was okay doing 16-year-old girls' mothers' roles. And that was something that I was not happy about because I said, if I look like that, you can give me. We are not an actor. We can do whatever.
Yeah.
But if I'm not looking like that, I don't want to grey myself up every day. So when I start looking kind of roles that you're actually offering me, I'm super thumbs up. I'll do it. But right now, I'm not looking like that. I can still play a bahu. I can still play a younger character. I'm not saying 25-year-old and 16-year-old, but I can play my age. Don't give me something that's 50 years old. But now that I just did a TV show where I was playing, I think, my age, now the offers that are coming because people have already seen me on screen
Correct.
after motherhood. They are expecting कि 10 kilo put on किए होंगे या 20 kilo put on किए होंगे. She must be looking tired. Let's
Yeah.
give her those roles or whatever.
Yeah.
But now that they've seen me on screen again, I just did a short, like a short appearance in a show. Now people are giving me those younger roles again. So I think, yeah, that happens. But you deal with it and you get through.
I
It's
know.
okay.
आपने typecast की बात की into older roles. When we'll get into that, but before that, I wanted to ask you that after marriage, did you feel the need to slow down? And this I'm not asking from the industry point of view.
Yeah.
It's a very personal
Yeah.
question. Family का pressure नहीं, society का pressure नहीं, but as women, you know, we start thinking a certain way.
Yeah.
तो आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ that you felt that अभी मुझे slow down करना चाहिए, or that was never the question?
Yeah, I got married in COVID. उसके पहले बहुत स्लो डाउन जिंदगी चल रही थी.
Already
And you
हो
know,
गई थी
yeah,
slow.
you're already kind of opening up from your savings and, you know, running your show or whatever. After marriage, it was like, phat, come on. It's right the opposite of slow down. You were like, get to work.
Yeah.
I'll see you in the night, you know. So for us, it was a little opposite because इतना slow down, जिंदगी ही slow down हो चुकी थी. So for us, it was right the opposite. In fact, I still had my mehndi on from the marriage, and 2 days later I was shooting for a newly wed bahus kind of. I was doing an episodic for a channel, and I still had my own shadi ki mehndi. So when they told me कि मेहंदी लगानी पड़ेगी, I said लगानी नहीं पड़ेगी, मेरी मेहंदी है. You know, so 2 days later I was on set and I just felt so good.
And what about motherhood? After motherhood, did you slow down?
After motherhood, I am still in that slowing down phase only because, like I said, and of course, a lot of moms will agree, it's just mom guilt. What happens is, for TV क्या होता है कि आपके 12 से 16 घंटे वहां पे सेट पे जाते हैं.
Correct.
And a lot of times what happened is they call you at 9 o'clock in the morning. Something happens, whatever, the scene gets changed, writers write something else, and you shoot at 1 or 2 in the afternoon.
Oh my God.
Before that, before motherhood, even after marriage, Netflix kholo, kuch dekho, you're okay, कि time जा रहा है, you're fine, you're gossiping with everybody. But after motherhood, those 6 hours of not doing anything on the set kill you.
Correct.
You want to go back home and you're like, क्यों बुलाया इतनी जल्दी? And it's not their fault also. So that kind of changes. I'm always guilty. Even when I'm here, when you said 3 p.m., I was like, wow, that works because he's sleeping. So TV does that to you because of the hours. In films, what happens is they do 1 or 2 scenes. We do 8 to 10 scenes. Because whatever we shoot today might come tomorrow on air. So there's no time. You know, there's so much that needs to be done in this much time.
What is an average working time of a TV show?
So you sign a 13.5 to 14-hour contract. Mostly.
On a daily basis.
12 hours is for shooting and 1.5 hours is to get ready. You know, before I had the baby, it used to be like a 12-hour contract where this 2 hours of getting ready used to be included in the, you know, in the 12-hour shift. Now they've excluded it because some people need to take their own time. So kya hota hai now? So it's 14 hours. So if I'm on set at 9, technically it's okay if I go home at 11. I'm going to be paid that particular amount that per day till 11 p.m. So where is that time to see your child? It's not there.
तो आप कैसे manage करते हो फिर?
So with us, with my baby, he gets up a little early. By 7, he's up. And I need to leave at 8:30 to reach at 9. So I used to see him for that 1.5 hour in the morning. And I used to see him the next day. So there's this one day that I remember where he takes his first nap at around 10 o'clock. The door was shutting. His nanny went inside to put him to sleep. And I looked at him very happily and I said, bye, Krishu. See you tomorrow. And when I said, see you tomorrow, I said, oh my God, yeah, see you tomorrow. I'm going to see you tomorrow. It's 8 in the morning and I'm going to see you tomorrow. And the door shut. I walked into my, the bathroom and I shut myself there. And I burst out crying. I said, I don't want to do this.
Yeah.
You know, though when you go on set and when you're in front of the screen, you feel at home. I took a 2-year gap. But when it was rolling, I said, this is my home.
Correct.
This is my second home. I love it. But then the guilt just, you know, it's just a clash of emotions all the time.
I guess it's just a phase. जब तक, you know, baby थोड़ा सा और बड़ा हो जाए. So I guess that guilt will eventually
I
go
hope.
away.
In fact, I feel कि मैं ट्यूशन में नहीं हूँ, मैं इसके ये क्लास में नहीं हूँ, वो क्लास में नहीं हूँ. It's just, मतलब, politicians and whoever else is working, okay, kudos to everybody, but I think a mother's job is the most difficult.
Takes a lot for a mother to work.
It really
Yeah,
does.
yeah.
It really does, yeah.
Physically, emotionally,
Yeah.
everything. Like,
Emotion, physically, I'll still play a warrior also, I'm okay. But emotion, I'm like, what are you doing there? You're not here with me. And it's just crazy, yeah.
But tell
Dealing with
me,
it.
after you have had a family, have you become more selective about the roles you're taking?
Yeah, selective in the sense not about the roles, but about everything else. Like if somebody calls me up right now, I'll say, I want to show only 15 days. How far is the set away from home?
Hmm.
These things have started mattering more than the role itself. And if it's 15 days of work, everyone is shooting 30 days.
Hmm.
If it's 15 days of work that I want to do, the role may not be important.
Hmm.
So I want the role also to be important. I want the days also to be less. I want the location to be close to my house. So there are too many things. They're like,
Yeah.
अरे यार, before I used to be like, नहीं यार, मेरे को 20 दिन shoot नहीं करना, मेरे को 30 दिन shoot करना है. You want to make that money.
Yeah.
Now you're like, नहीं, मेरे को I don't want to make that money.
Yeah.
I want to have a balanced kind of a life.
But actually, I can so relate to this. Of course, we don't belong to the same industry,
Yeah.
but we belong to like the media
Yes.
sector.
The entertainment. Yeah.
Yes. तो मुझे भी ऐसा होता है कि अगर कोई absurd collaboration आ गया, and even if it's well paid, I just feel अगर it doesn't justify my effort, it's better that मैं घर पे हूँ अपने
Yeah.
बच्चों के साथ, I'm spending time with family rather than taking that collaboration. So I can like
Yeah,
really
it's
relate
quality
to it.
over quantity now, I think.
I know. अच्छा, आपने टाइपकास्ट की बात की थी कि जनरली इफ नॉट आफ्टर मैरिज बट आफ्टर मदरहुड फीमेल एक्ट्रेसेस टाइपकास्ट हो जाती है ओल्डर रोल्स के लिए.
Yeah.
एंड आपने ये लिमिटेशन एक्सपीरियंस किया है.
Yes.
हाउ डिड यू डील विद इट देन?
Nothing. I just send them my recent pictures with red lipstick and with some weight loss, and they're like, okay.
You play the 16-year-old.
Yeah, I was like, how can you? Do you know how I look now? Take this picture on WhatsApp. So they tend to believe, okay, you're probably more accepting for older roles because you look a certain way after you kind of have a baby. Most people do, and that's completely okay. But I didn't. So then I calls. लिए नहीं वो ऑफर्स, सबको ऐसे एक व्हाट्सएप फोटो भेज दिया, then कॉल, because same people circulate everywhere. Word circulates everywhere. एक casting director को एक फोटो भेज दिया, it goes to a lot of people.
So basically you made it clear that I don't look like a mom.
I don't look like this. I'm okay to play my age, but I don't look 50, so don't offer me those roles.
Now coming to men actors.
Yeah.
They still continue to play lead roles, romantic roles, despite their age or personal milestones.
Yeah.
अगर वो father भी बन जाए, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Does this difference irritates you, and why this difference exists?
Again, I would say it's different. I think for TV and this thing, a lot of mothers or a lot of married women are playing leads in TV. So that, I think it's a film thing. Shah Rukh Khan is still doing, movies with the younger ones, but Juhi Chawla is playing somebody's mom. So that I think is a film thing. It doesn't really exist in my medium. So it would be wrong for me to say that, हमारे साथ भी होता है, नहीं होता है. It's very different.
You know, what is my point of view? Correct me if I'm wrong. मुझे लगता है it's not even the industry thing or the gender thing. I feel it's beauty standards. Now, female, they go through so many physical changes. We have hormonal changes, then we have pregnancy, we have perimenopause, and ये सब ना हमारे physical appearance पे दिखता है. Whereas men, when they're aging, उनके physical changes इतने नहीं होते हैं. So I feel it's something to do with beauty standards. Do you agree or what?
I do. I mean, now I wouldn't say, but just after the baby, first of all, I was a very different person for those few months. I started looking a certain way, and I would not wash my face also, and I would not realize. I would not have a bath for 2 days, and I would not realize. So those changes make you, it shows on your face.
Correct.
If you're not taking care of yourself, it shows.
Absolutely.
People will talk. People always talk. But you don't feel like doing it also. You're like, nahi, yaar, I'll just sleep right now. My baby's sleeping. Let me sleep. It's okay. I'll skip that bath. I have skipped having a shower for 2 days also. I've completely skipped
Postpartum does that to you.
Postpartum does so much. My husband is like, you are not the same person. Who is this person who's only screaming in the house? So yeah, all of that happens. But I think it's a progress. And after a few months, you start realizing that I need to do this for myself. So it's that whole journey that we go through. I mean, that's how it is for our moms also, I guess, for
Yeah.
us also, and the generations to come also. So
Were there any unrealistic expectations which you felt with respect to beauty standards?
I think the unrealistic expectations came from me. I didn't want to look a certain way. The other people were like, it's okay, take your time. ये होता है. In fact, my support system is very strong. So my husband and my in-laws, my mothers can be a little, which is what I said in another podcast I've done also. The harsh statements don't come from the in-laws. They are right now, आज के जो in-laws हैं वो थोड़े से at least whatever I've seen, they are extremely careful. नहीं नहीं मैं ये बोलूंगी तो भड़क जाएगी या you know. My mother-in-law, I can see her choosing her words with me. Though I'm not a very explosive kind of a person, mothers say the rudest things and we keep saying oh सास ने बोला है और in-laws तो बहुत डर के बोलते हैं मुझे लगता है. Mothers say everything that's really mean. But having said that, I think I had unrealistic expectations from myself. I was like, no, I can't look like this. I will do whatever it takes. And those 2-3 months, I think I was super consistent. Jaise hi pre-pregnancy weight aa gaya, again I started lying down on the bed. But having said that, I think this is for Zara's audience also who are watching. What is this consistency? You can ask me, who's your inspiration? And most of the people will say Alia Bhatt or Deepika Padukone. Look at this. What is this consistency? I know you've called me for me to give you my point of view about my life, but I'm giving you my point of view about what I think about you. And I think this is just so commendable. If I was doing a podcast, you would definitely be one of the guests that I would invite.
How sweet,
because
you're
what
so
is
kind.
this?
Yeah.
2 kids. You can be complacent. You have the other means also. You're living, I think, this is what I think, like a comfortable life. You don't need to do how much you do. But then still breaking from those norms and actually doing this, doing that, it's really commendable.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Actually, you know, I'll share one incident.
Yeah.
Uske wajah se I didn't do weight
Yeah.
loss. It's also because of health reasons, and you know, you have 2 kids to look after. You want to be a good role model for them. So that's the bigger picture.
Yeah.
But you know, I'll share one personal experience. I have always been a mom content creator. And when I got pregnant with Heather, I put on 35 kgs. So I was looking a certain way. Before pregnancy also, I used to do beauty and fashion content. And my target audience hamesha se moms tha.
Okay.
But when I put on so much weight, brands, beauty brands and fashion brands didn't want to work with me. And the reason they gave was कि आपका target audience तो mom है. I have women who are pregnant and then I have new moms. So in fact, I can do pregnancy fashion. I can do postpartum care. I can do so much. But none of the pitches worked because I feel I was not fitting this beauty standards of being a fashion and a beauty influencer. And that really
Triggered you in some way, yeah.
Triggered me in some way, but I don't want to take that as a negative emotion. Like I said, it's like I just share this incident because मुझे लगता है कि beauty standards कहाँ ना कहाँ इंडस्ट्री में मैटर करते हैं, रॉन्ग है, राइट है, आई डू नॉट नो. व्हाट डू यू फील जो बोलते हैं कि you know you have to be beautiful from inside, सच्ची बोल रहे हैं
No way.
कि looks matter.
एक तो this I don't believe, and एक तो when people say how do you have such amazing skin, I drink a lot of water. कि चलो they don't want to reveal, but अब तो सबको सब कुछ पता है. We know about injection. I will not say anything is wrong.
Yeah.
I will not. I have taken a lot of glutathione injections myself, so I will not say that. But सच बोलो यार, बोल दो यार कि I'm conscious I want to look like this. Yes, I do eat only this in a day. I do work out so much. People will have much more respect for you for being truthful rather than being dishonest by saying water.
But do you think women से कुछ unrealistic beauty standards ही expect करते हैं? Like for मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you know for a woman she has to take care of the house, the kids, then her diet, लोगों का खाना, खुद का workout, career, then your hair has to be proper, your nails need to be proper, your eyebrows need to be done, and you need to be waxed. I'm like, how we can do so many things.
People are doing it, yeah. People are still doing it. I mean,
but वो pressure है तन्वी, मतलब
pressure है.
इतना करना, it's a lot of pressure. तो
It
आपको
is.
लगता है अनरियलिस्टिक है?
You can put a stop to it by telling people who are giving you this pressure to just kind of hold on also. Like, people don't do that. थोड़ा बोलना चाहिए अपने लिए भी, I feel, कि
आप
say,
सोशल
stand
मीडिया
up for
पे
yourself.
काफी वोकल रहे हो इसके बारे में. आई रिमेम्बर आई हैड सीन दैट रील ऑफ योर्स वेयर वन ऑफ योर फ्रेंड वाज फैट शेमिंग अनदर वुमन एंड यू स्टूड अप फॉर हर एंड इन फैक्ट शेयर्ड दैट इंसिडेंट on the reel also.
So, the thing is, it was not about me.
Yeah.
But now I feel a lot for mothers.
Hmm.
First of all, if someone is looking a certain way after having a baby, she may not want to be thin again. She may be okay looking like that. What's the problem? She may have a health issue. She may not have help.
Correct.
We are so privileged that we are sitting here because there are people taking care of our child. Everybody doesn't have that kind of a support system. So I feel like however you are, if you're comfortable, it's really okay.
Yeah.
If you're okay having 300 kilos on or 50 kilos on or 10 kilos on, if you're okay with it, then who's anyone to say anything?
I guess उन लोग को realize भी नहीं होता है that what they can break in a woman when they talk like this. And like you said कि you should give it back.
Yeah.
But how? So many times women do not have the strength in them. Like,
or you should just disconnect and be like, yeah. I mean, you don't have to always have like a fire on your tongue and then say something. Sometimes it works for me. But some people are like, नहीं यार ये elder women है या ये in-laws है या ये मेरा पति है मैं नहीं बोल सकती. Learn how to just disconnect. Just learn how to disconnect. It's fine. Like बोलने दो ना यार, you just feel like I'm more mature than you. It's okay. Just say
I guess it's important to do that because after being a mother, जैसे आपने बोला, it's possible कि आपकी pre-pregnancy body शायद वापस कभी नहीं आए and you have to accept it and you should be okay with it. So I guess you have to figure out your ways to keep yourself sane.
Yeah, that's true. And if you're seriously, people watching, if you're okay with the weight, then forget anybody giving you that pressure. Just be okay with it. It's okay. There are so many attractive women doing such amazing work in their lives.
I know.
And they've got chubby. It's fine if you're okay with it. It's okay.
Now that we're talking about pressure, tell me that one industry pressure or a beauty trend you feel should go away.
So industry pressure again is something that we spoke about. Don't typecast people if they don't look a certain way. If they become a mom or they become a wife of someone, don't start giving them these roles that they don't physically look like. So yeah, that's one thing.
Fair enough. You're a powerful performer. In fact, आप चेन्नई से हो, correct? आप जब बॉम्बे आए थे, आपको हिंदी नहीं आती थी बराबर से, and actually you learned
How do you know this?
So we research our guests.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know. I used to say Myra Naam Tanvi Hai.
You in fact learned Hindi for the love of acting.
Yeah.
And you love acting. Like when you talk about it, it's just like you are a very like peppy personality when you talk about it. So ऐसा आपको लगता है that married women or moms have to work twice as harder to prove themselves compared to unmarried women?
On screen, no. With the guilt, yes.
Yeah.
On screen, at least I'll only talk out of with my experience. On screen, nothing translates. People just look at your talent, I feel. Yeah. But with the guilt, yes. In your head now, there are too many things running. I've had a very positive feedback when I went back, Also, I was working with people who I worked with before the baby. Now, the show that I did, I was working with the same producer when I got pregnant.
Oh.
So for the first 3 months, they let me go home. They sent me to the US. ये बहुत ही common चीज है. अगर आप shoot नहीं कर सकते हो, अरे वो जो character है वो US चला गया है.
to cover up.
जरूरी call आया था, वो US चला गया. तो ये US चली गई का बहुत मैंने
for the sake of the story.
Yeah, for the sake of the story. So they let me go for 3 months, and when I came back, after 3 months, I called the producer. I said I can work again. He said, "Come, we'll show you pregnant on set," because I was anyway married in the show. So they showed me pregnant. I worked till 7 months.
Now OTT has come in and again हमने सुना है that OTT has changed a lot of things. आप बताओ that what has changed for women because of OTT?
I think realistic characters have started getting accepted. In serials, what happens is you're still playing someone that you may not ever relate to. If I don't like someone, I'm not going to put chili powder in their chai. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to not talk to the person. So these TV right now, I don't think the metro people are watching. I think we've moved on to OTT. So That's what even I want to do later on, because you see a lot of realistic characters, which TV doesn't have right now. So I want to definitely jump. Having said that, full respect to TV, but realistic characters nahi hote.
What is that one role like you wish to do? You're waiting for it.
Yeah, I've not done, that's what I'm saying. I've not done anything real. I've played a bahu, I've played positive. Positive वाले जो लोग होते हैं ना, वो कभी उनको गुस्सा नहीं आ सकता. सिर्फ लास्ट एपिसोड में जब वाइंड अप कर रहे हैं ना, तो एक गुस्सा का वो पूरा पैराग्राफ बोलेंगे और शो खत्म हो जाएगा, सब एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे.
The monologue.
The monologue. And negative वाले हैं ना, कुछ भी हो जाए, they'll just be like, okay, whatever, and all that. So there's no, like we feel negative, we feel positive, we feel all kinds of emotions. So वो ना आप typecast हो जाते हो कि ये positive role है, ये negative role है. So I don't want to do that. I want to do something that's absolutely real, like OTT. ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा तो I'll 100% just like kind of take it up.
आपने कब decide किया that you want to be an actress and how did this journey pan out?
So my story is a little different compared to या मैं माधुरी दीक्षित के songs देखती थी. I mean, I keep seeing these interviews कि मैं ना टीवी के सामने नाचती थी माधुरी दीक्षित की तरह and all that. No, I was not allowed to watch TV when I was small because I was in boarding school. So I wasn't, TV का कुछ concept ही नहीं था. We used to watch probably one movie once a week and that used to be my God. So there was no, like, it was extremely strict. It was a convent. My story about wanting to kind of be an actor is a little more personal. My parents got divorced when I was 6 years old. So क्या होता है ना, ऐसा situation में ना, you don't have a normal life. Because you're either with your mom or with your dad. So what happens, you become a little more attention seeking, I feel. It happened with me.
Got it, yeah.
I wanted a lot of attention all the time. So I would do things to get attention. Now, even when I came to what I wanted to do in life, I wanted to only do the glam stuff. I never wanted to be a doctor, this, that, because उसमें attention मिलता है. So because of these childhood issues that I had, वहाँ से मेरा कुछ शुरू हो गया, and that is why I'm doing what I'm doing.
So did you learn acting? Did you like go to some acting school or you just came to Bombay and started?
No, yeah, I did. When I came here, since I didn't know the language, I used to do a lot of like, small 1 day, 2 day, 15-day cameos and all that, only because I needed to learn the language. तो करते करते लोगों को देखते देखते हो जाता है, I feel.
As a married woman and a mom, one thing you would want कि कुछ industry में बदले ताकि आपके लिए इजी हो जाए काम करने का.
थोड़ा सा अगर एक मॉम बोले कि मैं 8 घंटे ही काम कर सकती हूँ, उस वजह से आप उसको रोल, मतलब डोंट नॉट गिव हर द रोल फॉर दैट. शी इज नॉट आस्किंग फॉर हर ब्यूटी स्लीप इन दैट 4 hours. शी इज आस्किंग टू गो बैक टू हर फैमिली. So if something like this happens, don't reject the person for something like this. That is something that I would want to change. होता है ना कि नहीं यार ये चिक चिक करेगी यार, 12 घंटे के बाद चिक चिक करेगी. I've seen in the last show that I was doing, not the previous one, 12 घंटे के बाद the husband is calling the wife and yelling at her on the phone. Why haven't you packed up? And यहाँ पे शादी का सीन चल रहा है, वो क्या कर सकती है? So then she's crying to the EP. And she's like, yeah, मेरे को जाना है, मेरा function है. So that's something that you don't have a personal life when you're doing TV. You cannot promise about tomorrow. You can't plan things because anything can happen anytime. कुछ telecast कोई महा episode आ गया. You just have to be stuck here. So if you're a mom and you're asking कि चलो 8 घंटे थोड़ा unreasonable हो गया क्योंकि 2 घंटे तो ready हो में जाते. If I'm saying tomorrow, if any mom is saying कि if I was a producer, some mom told me कि 10 घंटे चलेगा, आप थोड़ा मुझे priority में रखोगे, I would put her in priority and not my lead actor.
But ऐसे बहुत female actors भी होंगे ना who are maybe delaying milestones, like delaying getting married or starting a family. यही reason की वजह से कि अगर मेरी शादी हो गई या if I become a mom, it's going to get difficult to manage things because the industry is so demanding. The schedules are crazy. Plus again वो एक typecast होने का एक वो भी point है. So what would you tell young women who are basically worried how they're going to manage their entertainment career and family?
First of all, I'll tell them that it's not going to be easy. Let's face facts. प्रॉब्लम है कि नहीं इजी होने वाला. स्टार्ट कम्युनिकेटिंग अ लॉट मोर. स्टार्ट टेलिंग योर फैमिली ऑल्सो कि मैं अभी इंडस्ट्री एंटर कर रही हूँ. शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट प्रायोरिटी ओवर somebody else, over a senior actor, over a lead actor. If someone is new in the industry, they are going to be treated like normally because you're new. Who's going to give you that much power at that time? Nobody. So start communicating already. Be prepared कि ये थोड़ा टाइम होगा. It's going to be difficult. Like it was very difficult for me also. There was no personal life at all. So be prepared for it and keep your family also prepared. Because now, like I said, कि पहले ना 14 hours के 12 hours के shifts होते हैं. अभी 14 hours का है. So I think it's better to brace yourself, be prepared, and slowly make your way through. Have a smart mind.
So basically, keep the communication open with your family.
Yeah.
कि ये मेरी industry ऐसी है, the timings
Yes.
are such.
Yeah, especially if your family is not from the industry or your husband is not from the industry, then it will be difficult for them to kind of understand because they are all used to 9 to 5 jobs.
Correct.
So it's very difficult.
Future plan क्या है? How do you plan to navigate your career with family, personal life, motherhood?
I want to do 15 to 20 days of work on TV
Hmm.
because when I went right now to shoot, I realized that this is my home.
Yeah.
I can cry without glycerin. I
Mhm.
can scream.
Yeah.
I can be like a submissive person. I can do all those roles because this is where I get the most happiness from.
Yeah.
But only 15 days. The rest of the 15 days, I want to kind of balance with my baby. So I don't want to, I'm okay not taking up very important roles right now.
Hmm.
I want to get back to what I love and get back to what I love. That's my child.
That's so beautifully
Yeah.
put.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to ask a fun question.
Okay.
I hope I get an honest answer.
Okay.
जैसे बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स पेड पीआर करते हैं,
हाँ.
टीवी एक्टर्स भी पैप्स को पे करते हैं आने के लिए.
Always.
हाँ.
Always. And lots of money. Whoever they are, they take a lot of money to put you on the reel there. Yeah. And there's no, अरे आप कैसे आ गए यहाँ पर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
That is acting.
Yeah, mostly yes.
Okay. Tanvi, it's been so much fun talking to you, but we're going to continue the fun now.
Okay.
We are moving to a segment called Quick 10 with Zara. I'm going to ask you 10 questions and आपको rapidly
Oh God, I'm very bad with rapid. Okay, I'll try.
We will try.
इतनी मैं बोलती हूँ ना कि मैं rapid मेरा कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, चलो.
I'm sure you're going to do well. Marriage or motherhood, what changed you more?
Motherhood.
The weirdest beauty trend you have tried?
Glass skin. It doesn't happen in Bombay. If you just don't put your compact on, you'll keep sweating. So don't put those layers of moisturizer and think I look like glass. Korean skin, ye Bombay weather doesn't promote.
One thing about the entertainment industry that still surprises you?
Saddens me, I'll say, that when people are not seen, the people think that uske paas kaam nahi hai.
A role you would love to play but haven't yet?
Real stuff. Real stuff with like barely any makeup, no mascara and nothing. Just scream out there and be real. How you are at home.
Great. One misconception people have about married women in entertainment.
Misconception. That they don't want to do intimate roles. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You're here to act. I'm not actually going to fall in love with the lead actor. I'm here to do my job.
Next question. Your go-to confidence booster on a tough day?
My phone call to my best friend for the last 30 years.
How sweet. OTT or TV, what's your choice?
OTT now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The best career advice you have ever received?
Don't say no too many times to work. People will stop calling you. And when you're ready, there will not be any calls. And when the calls come, they'll offer you very less money. Consider. Don't keep saying, I'm not in that phase. I'm not in that phase.
One thing you wish you had known about the industry earlier?
The casting directors lie. It's their job to get this person in this amount. So they will tell you and they will flower the role कि बहुत important है. And when you go there, you're like, इतना भी important नहीं है. ये उनका job है. Use your intuition and gauge.
तो अभी आप समझ जाते हो?
अभी मैं समझ जाती हूँ.
Okay, last one. A female actor who inspires you?
Mothers who maintain a work-life balance happily. There's no Alia Bhatt, there's no Deepika Padukone. I'll give you a real answer. If I see a mom who's balancing, I'm like, you're an inspiration.
And with that, we are wrapping up this podcast.
Awesome.
Tanvi, you have been so easygoing. Like a conversation with you is always fun. It's always in depth. Maza bhi aata hai, but at the same time, there are so many things I'm taking back from our conversation. Thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule and from your motherhood. I know how much it means and being here with us.
Thank you.
And that's it for this episode. Hope you'll enjoyed this conversation and found it as relatable and heartwarming as I did. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, or share it with someone who might need a little bit of a parenting pep talk. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time with more real stories, laughs, and insights. Until then, take care and remember, you are doing great. Here is to surviving and thriving, one day, one episode at a time.